market, you will talk to this man that are selling tomatoes. Can I have your audience here? These information are very important. Go to the market, talk to these malams that are selling tomatoes. Their basket that they have finished selling tomatoes, possible basket, buy it from them. Fill them with earth. And turn them to your garden. Plant tomato in them. Plant bitter leaf in them. Water them. Connect with those plants. Communicate with them. They'll talk back to you. Surprisingly enough. How many of us understand what I'm talking about? Am I going too far? And I want to tell us that this information that you're getting from us is not just for your personal use. We want you to transfer this information to your students. Because whether you like it or not, you are the one that has the power. You have the power and the possibility to create